Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Adams Elementary School in Madera, California, here in the cafeteria. This is my second time getting to visit the students, Home of the Stars, and just another amazing day. The student programs that we had throughout the day, grades 1 through 6, focused on diversity. The sub-theme was need human kindness, right? That this world needs a lot more kindness, and each of us can do our part, not just to be kind to ourselves, but kind towards other people as well. And it's so important that we show that kindness, because when we're talking about trying to, uplift this planet, any kind word or action that we say or do, it might actually inspire not just the person or persons that we're doing it towards, but anybody that's in earshot or eyesight of seeing that kindness. Maybe it changes their heart in a positive way as well. And we're talking about diversity, this appreciation of it. That means our differences, right? We could be different on the outside, on the inside, whether it's how we're born, how we walk, how we talk, how we see, how we hear, how we learn, our skin color, the clothes we wear, the languages that we speak. We have to honor and respect everything on the outside, but also what's on the inside, right? Our talents, our gifts, our abilities. Appreciate all of that. And it's amazing to have diversity in general, because if we were all the same, that'd be very boring, right? But the fact that we're all unique and different and beautiful makes schools like this so cool, right? That we can learn from each other, we can grow from each other. If we embrace diversity, we can grow, right? We know that so many people around us are from different walks of life. If we open our hearts to meeting them, to really getting to know them, maybe they turn into eventually best friends, right? True friends. That also means that we see ourselves and others for this as well. Something I bring up in every assembly because it's so important to me, but the fact that we're all true miracles. The M on my hand I trace through every presentation I give. With the lines on our hand, we have the letter M. At least one on each hand, sometimes a faint line connects it. That M stands for miracle, upside down W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this, now it's our job to go out and be that light to someone else's heart, to help them believe this as well, right? To shine like stars, like they do here at Adams. And all of this intertwined is this underlying idea too of unconditional love, right? Love without any conditions, that if somebody's taller than us, shorter than us, wider, skinnier, different skin color than us, if they wear glasses or don't, if they're disabled or not, we always have this opportunity to really see someone for who they truly are, right? And that's how we start to change this world, one act of kindness at a time. We can always choose that love, always choose acceptance, inclusion, and compassion. And that's really what led into tonight's family night topic on positivity, but that underlying sub-theme was being our best self, right? We can always choose to be our best self in every area of our lives. And it's not just the kindness towards others that the youth programs throughout the day, the school day, really honed in on. It's also really understanding that being the best version of ourselves is treating ourselves with kindness, right? The person we're going to speak to the most in our life is ourselves. We don't want to be telling ourselves something negative. We want to be telling ourselves something positive, right? To have that positive attitude with everyone in our lives and everywhere in our lives, right? And knowing that we have this ability each and every day to do our best, right? That we have the effort, not always the outcome, but if we're giving our best, doing our best, that's what true excellence is. It's not about having to be the best every time. It's just doing your best. And no matter what we go through, that we choose not to give up. We know the opposite of success is not failure, but giving up or quitting. So as long as we keep pushing, keep persevering, our limits are pretty much endless. And that's why I also had this shirt on for the family session this evening. The words are upside down on purpose. It says, keep your head up. Because if you're feeling sad or looking down, feeling down, it's a reminder to always keep our head up, to always think positive no matter what, right? And if we continue to really believe in ourselves, knowing that part of being our best self is that self-encouragement, self-belief, but also encouraging others too, then we start to make not just the school, but our community where we live and this entire world a much better and brighter place. So thanks so much for touching my heart. Had a beautiful day here again at Adams. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.